Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we learn about addition up to 1 to 10. So what is the symbol of addition? Plus. So addition means putting together. So we add together. For example, I have one pencil here. So then I have add two more pencils. Okay, like this. 2. So 1 plus 2 togetherly we count. So 1 plus 2, 1, 2, 3. That is equal to 3. So addition means putting together. So we use, what is the symbol of addition? So plus. So how we write the plus symbol? This is a symbol of addition. It is plus. So here I wrote some examples, a picture addition. So first one is, here I wrote 3 flowers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and so 1, 2. Again I wrote here 2 flowers. So 3 and 2. It makes how much? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So how we write? We write 1, 2, 3. 3 plus and means plus 1, 2. 2. That is equal to 5. So putting together we add these flowers together. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. So next, here I wrote mushrooms. Okay. How many mushrooms are there here? 1. And again I wrote here how many mushrooms?
2.
2. So it makes how much?
3.
1, 2, 3. You are right. 1 plus 2, that is equal to
3.
3. Okay, very good. So here ONE1 plus TWO2. Okay, that is equal to
3.
3. THREE 3. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 1 mushroom plus 2 mushroom. So it makes togetherly we get 3 mushrooms. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay. Next. Yes. Here I wrote pop sticks. Yes. How many pop sticks are there?
2.
1
2.
and 1. So 2. 2 and again here I wrote 2. 1 and 2. So it makes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Very good. Okay, next. I wrote some bananas here. So how many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. Okay. So here 4 and means plus 2 is equal to how much? We add together 4 and 2. So it makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So like this we have to practice addition up to 10. 1 to 10 in picture addition method. It is a picture addition method. Okay. Thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.